Hi, I'm Nathan. For the first item, we want you to narrate a time when you had to oversee the day-to-day operations of a team or department. How did you prioritize tasks, delegate responsibilities, and ensure the smooth execution of operations to achieve organizational objectives? How did you design your contingency plans? I would love to hear specific stories and your specific actions in answering this question.
Nathan, if I may interrupt. I'm also interested to know if there was a time where you were tasked with strategically designing the layout and flow of operations to optimize efficiency while also managing the people aspect of the process. What items did you consider to ensure successful implementation and productivity? Please tell us the context for appreciation.
Yeah, interesting question, Ben.
Good day everyone, I'm Benjamin Pastor, applying for Operation Manager. Yes, absolutely. Dito sa government food, isa sa mga challenges ko was to repound yung production line para mas maging efficient. Una, i-analyze yung current workflow from raw materials to packaging. Tiningnan ko kung saan yung bottlenecks at kung saan pwedeng magbawas ng unnecessary step. Then, i-involve yung mga tao sa process kasi sila yung nakakaalam talaga kung ano yung practical sa floor. I gathered their input and together we redesign the layout. Ang focus namin was to minimize movement, streamline yung process, and make sure na ergonomic yung workspace para sa mga employees. Important din yung communication before implementing the change. I made sure na lahat ng team members na intindihan yung bagong process at kung bakit namin ginagawa to. Training was also key, ensuring everyone knew how to operate the new equipment and flow the new procedure. Finally, we had a phased implementation para hindi biglaan yung transition. We moderate the result closely and we made adjustment as needed. Dahil dito nakita namin yung 50% improvement sa production, efficiency at 20% reduction sa waste. During my time sa fresh beverage ko as distribution manager, araw-araw namin kinakaharap yung challenges ng on-time deliveries. Ang ginawa ko, i-implemented a system para i-prioritize yung tasks. Una, tinitingnan namin yung urgency, alin yung mga deliveries na kailangan ma-deliver agad. Pangalawa, tiningnan namin yung importance, alin yung mga clients na critical sa business. Then, I delegate yung responsibilities based sa strength ng team members. May mga team members na magaling sa route planning, so sila yung inassign ko doon. May mga magaling na customer service, so sila yung humawak ng communication sa clients. To ensure smooth, I lead daily meetings para pag-usapan yung status ng deliveries at kung may mga problema. I also empower the team to make decision on the spot para hindi na kailangan tumaan pa sa akin for every small issues. For contingency plans, we always have backup trucks and drivers in case may masiraan or magkasakit. We also had alternative routines in case may traffic or roads closures. Dahil dito, we are able to improve yung on-time deliveries by 15% of nabawasan yung transportation cost by 25% off.